Hi guys, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials channel. Today, we are going to talk about how to insert picture in Microsoft Excel. If you're a newbie and you're still exploring the beautiful feature of Microsoft Excel, then this video is perfect for you. So, to start with, let us open the Microsoft Excel in our computer or laptop or in your mobile phone if you have one. Alright, so now since I already opened the Microsoft Excel here in my laptop, so all we have to do, guys, is just to start the tutorial. Alright, so now as you can see, guys, this is the Microsoft Excel looks like. Alright, so at the upper part of the screen, you can see here the file icon, the home icon, insert, page layout, formulas, data, review, view, and help icon. Alright, so since we are going to insert a picture, so all we have to do, guys, is over here at the insert icon, just tap this, okay, and as you can see, there is a word illustrations over here at the upper part of the screen. So just tap that, and now you will see now here the pictures, shape, icons, and 3D models. So since we're going to insert a picture, let us tap this picture, and now you can now see here the choices if where are you going to get your pictures, whether it is come from this device, stock images, or online pictures. All right, so now let's say, for example, we are going to insert a picture coming from this device. All right, so all we have to do is just to tap this. Okay, so after tapping that one, guys, you can now browse your computer or laptop so that you can find or you can look the pictures that you want to insert. All right, so now over here, let's say for example this one, so let us tap this picture, and now all you have to do is just to tap this insert. All right, so now let's try to tap this insert, and all right, so there you go, guys. You can now start adjusting your pictures. All right, so this is how we are going to insert the pictures in Microsoft Excel. All right, so if you want to know on how to insert pictures in Microsoft Excel, that's the easiest way I know. And if you know another way on how to insert pictures in Microsoft Excel, just leave a comment below and be sure to subscribe for more videos. Bye, guys!